The food is later, ha?
I want egg. You want egg? Yes, egg is good.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Joby May.
Hello everyone, good afternoon, almost 1 na guys, and I have just started vlogging. Today is Lakota's 3rd birthday and we are going to celebrate a little bit. Yes guys, so I have my friends, my 2 Filipino friends are coming, and yeah, only us guys. And then in the afternoon, some of Hailey's friends are coming as well to celebrate with us. So yun lang guys. And also look at my face. So this is my face guys. I mean there's improvement, but a little bit. Wow, surprise! Very good darling. Open it darling. Open that beautiful wrapper and let's see what's inside. Okay, yes, open it. Mommy help you. Okay. Wow! Here, darling, here. Open this side. Yes. Wow! Wow! Very good. Wow! What a beautiful dress. So you're going to wear this now, okay? Yes? Lakota? Yes or not?
Yes.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay. Give. How if you open this later, darling? How if you open this later?
It's an frozen party.
Yeah? Okay, you want to open this also?
Yes.
Okay, open it then. Open here. Here, darling. Here. 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 Wow! Woo! What's inside? Let's see what's inside. A frozen panties. Wow. Look. Because Lakota is going to wear this summer, huh, Lakota? And look. Wow. Minnie Mouse. You got Minnie Mouse, darling. No more. No more, yes. And now Lakota is going to change. Huh? Now Lakota is wearing her present. Very nice, beautiful on her. Wow, yummers. So we have hot dogs, lechon kawali, sausage, sauce of
Mang Thomas.
egg.
You know the Mang Thomas? No.
We also have
Matagal na mga
Matagal
star,
na.
Ano ba naman? Pag makakapunta kami ng Pilipinas.
Saan niyo baka expired na yun?
O hindi Meron ako sa bahay. Talaga? Thomas Pawis. Sinigay mo rin ng Luis.
ay, mahuhulog.
Malamang sa amin. Dalawa kami din sa pawis. Anong dadlo siya? Mama.
Yes, darling, chop suey. Yes, and we also have sinigang na hipon, and of course, hindi mawawala ang rice.
Nakatala niyo.
Go, pe.
Say hi to our vlog.
Hello.
Mga artista. Yes.
The food is later, ha?
I want egg.
You want egg? Yes, egg is.
Something like this.
Business.
Something one of that.
Not in between.
I take from this, I take from this.
Very good. Wow. Wow, so Lakota is opening her presents. Let me see, darling, with batteries. Wow, Comta. Oh, I see. This one is to count. Learning how to count. That is very good.
La bateria.
Yes, battery.
Hola! L'obrim després, per això?
Yes,
Sí?
yes.
Hola,
And another
mira.
one.
Mira,
And
per aprendre a comptar.
yes, and another one, Lakota. Eric.
Xulo, nena.
Yes,
Gràcies a l'Eric i a la Joy,
very good.
Molt bé.
And another one, Lakota, go. Yes,
Yeah,
very good.
that's your papa.
That is from Pam. Yes, that's from Pam.
No, sí?
Yes,
Pues tenen el mateix
That's-
paper.
yes. Ah, ano? Yes, it's from Pam.
Ah.
So Eric is helping you opening the presents. Wow!
Oh, nena!
Wow, Lakota, Messi?
Hola! La Elsa, no?
Yes, it's Elsa.
Wow!
Oh, she's going to show. Wow, Lakota is 3 years old today. Wow. Molt bé. So this is Lakota's cake. Felicitas Lakota. Ayan, she's 3 years old.
So, mama, bibigay ka doon?
Moltes felicitats. Sí.
En anglès, ara.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lakota. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Okay.
Això m'agrada més.
Oh, què és això? Wow! Wow! Lakota! Pintaules! Wow! Lakota! Look, Lakota, you can put inside, darling.
O sigui que ell ja havia practicat amb la mare.
Practiquen amb els pals i tot, però practiquen al carrer.
Wow! Wow! Put inside, Lakota. Agafa, carinyet. Sí. Look. Open it, darling. Open it. You can give it to her. Ay! Wow! Wow! Una mochila, qué mona. Wow! Wow!
Agafa la idea.
Wow! Que xulo! Pel setembre! Pel setembre! Wow!
La cosa que te sembla, t'agrada, que sí?
L'Ernest deixeu que mira ella.
No estem mirant si hi havia paper.
Podem obrir,
No. Wow! like it?
Yes.
Yes, darling.
Mommy.
See, what's that? Star and a crown, right?
Yes. Bunny.
That's unicorn. Say unicorn.
Icon.
Do you like unicorn? Hello guys, good morning. Today is 30th May 2021 and we celebrated Lakota's birthday yesterday, and I forgot to close the vlog, guys, because we were tired, we were busy. And I just want to thank you to my friends Pamela, Sarah, and Joy. Thank you so much, lovely girls, for helping us yesterday. Yes, and the kids, Muhammad and Eric. Yeah, Lakota enjoyed playing. Yes, guys, so you have to come again next time without any occasion maybe, so we can just sit and talk and enjoy the food. Yes, mga sis. So thank you all so much talaga, kasi all of a sudden ang dami ng kasi all of a sudden, as in ang dami ng ano dapat gawain. Yes. And yeah, Hailey just went to the chicken coop, and the white chicken, the white hen, is the one laying eggs, and she saw it. Hailey was there watching the white hen, and then the white hen, after laying eggs, she jumped, right, Hailey?
Yes.
And then Hailey saw this, guys, and it's still warm. Yeah, it's still warm. It's still hot. So we know now it is the white hen laying eggs. So we now have 11 eggs, and we didn't eat any egg yet. Yeah. So I'm not sure if we are going to eat, but I think yes, we are going to eat soon. Maybe for tonight's dinner, I'm going to cook potato omelette. Yes. So guys, thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment, of course. And hope to see you again with a brand new video. Bye!
Bye.
And Lakota, say thank you. Say thank you. And also, they played war, like a battle of a war, guys, with water. Yeah, we inflated the balloons with water, and then they throw each other, and then they stayed under the sprinkler, so they really enjoyed. Huh, Hailey?
Yes.
And also, guys, update to my face, much better now. Pero
I'm going with that.
Yeah, go to daddy. So guys, my face is much better now. Pero may mga butlig-butlig pa siya, guys, as you can see. Yeah, yan. As you can see that. May mga butlig-butlig pa siya, guys. Yeah, sana mawawala na ito anytime soon, as soon as possible. Yeah. Yes, guys, so medyo okay na ang aking face. Nag-subside na konti yung butlig-butlig niya. Look. Pero sometimes, itchy pa rin siya, guys. Tapos, sometimes reddish pa rin siya. Pero ngayon, okay siya. Just like, I don't know. Just like there's a time of the day na mainit at saka makati siya, guys. Yeah, so, I am taking still the medicine, guys. So, ayan, much better na.